Hello Internet people. I'm going to do a quick test here, sharpness test, on this newly restored Carcass splitter. Yeah, so let's get right to it. Enough talking. First up, we're going to try to slice some phone book paper here. It's not the thinnest phone book paper I've ever felt, but it is pretty thin. So we'll find out. I mean, this thing is massive. It's not meant for this, but it sure is cool. So no problem slicing the paper. We're going to take a composition book here. I have chopped the corners off already with one of these axes, and by the way, don't do this. These are all razor sharp, and you should have bit covers on your axes. Don't follow my example. It's highly dangerous, and I'm ashamed. So, without further ado, we're going to chop a big old chunk of this corner off here. Cutting board's warped, so we'll make do. So, just going to push down with pressure and see what happens. That's exactly what you would expect to happen with a sharp cutting instrument. Nice clean cut there. We'll do one more quick. Just push down with pressure and do a slight rocking motion, and as Schwarzenegger would say, no problemo. Lastly, and most funly should be a word, but it's not. We're going to shave some hair off the arm. I've got a bunch of missing patches from axes, and it's t-shirt season just starting to warm up here in Michigan. Great conversation starter, I suppose. So here is a nice patch of hair, and here we go. I hope you can see that. I hope the camera focuses. We'll do one more just because I guess you just something about something this massive. The world's largest razor blade. I mean, that is hair shaving sharp if I've ever seen it. So, yeah, this is a Carcass splitter, newly restored, newly sharpened. I will be posting it up for sale tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope that this wasn't out of focus or everything I just did wasn't out of frame. Thank you, and have a great day or night.